In today's video, I will walk you through how to verify a token contract address using CoinMarketCap. To find and verify a token contract address using CoinMarketCap, start by searching for the specific token you want to check. Use the search bar at the top right and enter the token name. From the search results, select the correct token to open its main profile page. Once you are on the token's profile page, locate the contract information section. This section can be found in the left-hand information panel or directly below the token name and current price. Look for the section labeled Contracts. In this area, you will see the blockchain network icon followed by a long combination of letters and numbers. This is the listed contract address for that token on the selected network. To view additional contract addresses, check next to the primary contract address for a More button or a drop-down arrow. Click the More option or drop-down to expand the list. The expanded section will display the official contract addresses for other blockchain networks supported by the token. Review the available networks listed, such as Ethereum, Solana, Arbitrum, Avalanche, or other supported chains. Select the network you need and review the corresponding contract address shown. After locating the correct contract address, verify it using the available links. Start by clicking the copy icon next to the address on CoinMarketCap to copy the contract address. Next, click the external link icon next to the contract address. This will open the related blockchain explorer for that network. For example, Ethereum addresses can open in Etherscan, while Solana addresses can open in Solscan. On the Blockchain Explorer page, check the token details shown. Confirm that the token name matches the token you are verifying. Review the holder distribution information and check the displayed trading activity. Make sure the contract information on the Blockchain Explorer matches the information shown on CoinMarketCap. Review the network, token details, and contract address carefully before using the address. If the token has multiple blockchain deployments, repeat the same process for each listed network. Open the additional contract addresses from the More section, copy the required address, and verify each one through the corresponding Blockchain Explorer. By checking the Contracts section, reviewing multi-chain addresses, and confirming the details through Blockchain Explorers, you can verify the official token contract address listed on CoinMarketCap. Thank you for watching.